I know that most of the students are looking for UK qualifications because they can't travel to the UK.
So 2026 Multi-Destination Fair ကကမ္ဘာထိပ်တန်းတက္ကသိုလ်တွေနဲ့အဖွဲ့အစည်းတွေနဲ့ officer တွေနဲ့တွေ့ခဲ့တဲ့အတွေ့အကြုံတွေအရေးကြီးဆုံးဖြစ်တဲ့ information တွေ scholarship ရှာနေတဲ့လူတွေအတွက် opportunity တွေဒါတွေအားလုံးကိုတနေရာတဲ့တစ်ချိန်ထဲမှာတွေ့ရတဲ့ဘွဲအတွေ့အကြုံတွေကိုမျှဝေပေးထားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
I know that Myanmar, you guys have quite a number of qualifications. GED, matriculation, NCUK, A level, O level.
All the things we got.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, have you guys heard about University of Reading?
I already heard it.
Do you guys attend GA event last year when I was there? February or March. We did a conference in hotel. Do you guys attend that?
Pan Pacific.
Yeah, we did it in Pan Pacific. So basically, University of Reading is a UK campus, and we have the branch campus more than 10 years already. And with the current situation, I know that most of the students are looking for UK qualifications because they can't travel to the UK. So one unique selling point here is at least you guys can start in Malaysia first. Down the road, 1 year or 2 years later, maybe UK will open up the opportunity again for Myanmar students, they can transfer later. If they don't want, they can still graduate in Malaysia, they still get the UK qualifications. Okay, that is one of the unique selling point and affordable. Because today, if you go to the UK, you are paying about 25 to 26,000 pounds per year. But in Malaysia, you are paying about 12,000 US dollar per year. Total is about 36,000, 3 years. Yeah. Student with GED, they come in for foundation first. Then after that, the rest, because we are branch campus, we cannot take GED straight away undergraduates. They have to go through foundation unless they are coming in with GED and ACT. Then they can start with undergraduates. Currently, we do have a Myanmar students, but they are actually coming in from NCUK qualifications. We have 2 last intake.
အခုလိုမျိုး update ဖြစ်နေတဲ့ international university တွေ top university တွေ information တွေ unique ဖြစ်တဲ့ program တွေအကြောင်းကိုလက်မလွတ်ချင်ဘူးဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်းကျွန်တော်တို့ YouTube channel ကို subscribe လုပ် notification on ထားရုံနဲ့အပတ်စဉ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ information update တွေသိရသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်